Hello sir, here are the devices ready. As you have asked for, it should be a held device and the battery operated. So this is our device. This is battery operated. On the back side there is a cover. There are two batteries installed on the back side, and this is the cover that fits there. And here is the power on off button, and here is a push button. So let me explain you the functionality first. So if I press this button, right now we can control these three locks from this device, and they are connected. Both of these devices are connected by the Bluetooth with each other. So this is if the white LED at the upper line shows on which lock we are writing the code. So right now there are three locks. We are entering the code for the first lock, and if I press this button, then the second lock, and then for the third lock. So the push button is to select the which lock you want to open. Now if you press the right code for that lock, then the green LED of that respective line will turn on, otherwise the red LED will turn on. So the lock of the first solenoid is 123, the password is 123. If I press a wrong password like 456, and here is the hash button, it is the enter button here, and this is a clear button. If you press clear button, all the solenoids will be locked, and if you press enter, now as we have typed 456, now if I press hash, you will see that now the red LED has turned on and the lock is still in the open position. Now if I press the correct password like 1, 2 and 3, and as I will press this hash button, then this lock will open. Let me show you. Now you can see that the first lock has been opened. Now let me show you the second lock. If I press this push button, now we are at the second lock, and the correct password for the second lock is 456. Now you can see second lock has been also locked. And if we go to the third lock, let me press the push button again, and the password for the third lock is 789. If I press the enter button, now all of these are unlocked. If I press this A button, star button, you will see that all of them has been locked again. So this is the complete functionality of the device, and in this device there is an Arduino and a relay module, and these are the solenoids which have been attached to the relay module, and everything is working fine now.